Hey guys, it's Mikenstein, and today I got a review of the Huion H420. This is probably the best drawing tablet I have ever used, and in this video I'm going to share with you what I like and don't like about this tablet and if you should get it or not, because chances are you're watching this video means you are probably interested in a drawing tablet like this and you want to find out if it's a great bang for your buck. So right out of the box, of course, you get the drawing tablet and also the pen. You also get the installation drive. All you have to do is slot this into your computer, follow the steps, and you should get this up and running in only about a few minutes. It's really easy to install. You also get this black flappy thing. This is actually the drawing gloves. I don't really use this, but it comes in the box for those of you who need it. It's kind of weird to me. I wear this is kind of a pain. I don't know how to wear this. So you also get, of course, the USB connector. This goes into your laptop and then into the tablet. You're gonna have to pay a lot more to get a wireless drawing tablet, but this works. The only thing about this is that it is really a pain to use, and I must say it was all over the place when I was using this the last time I was working on a video. You also get this cleaning kit. I'm actually surprised they included this in the box because this is like a whole different product in here. Inside you have a cleaning cloth. You can use this to clean your drawing tablet in case you got any dust or fingerprints or spit or snot or slime or goo. You also get these gloves. I'm not really sure what these are for. Like, you don't need gloves to clean a tablet. The only thing I can think of using these for are... And lastly, what's in here is lip gloss. Just kidding, this isn't lip gloss. It's actually you can just use it to dust your tablet. And you also get some pen refills. That is what this is. Just in case you use this pen a lot and probably use this to stab someone and then you lost the pen, you can just replace it with something in here and you're good to go. And then of course you get your user manuals for Windows and Mac. And lastly, a thank you card by the company themselves. But now we're going to throw this aside and talk about the center of attraction, which is the drawing tablet itself. So I must say the design of this tablet is pretty decent. It's ergonomic, it's easy to use, and it's also got some buttons up front. These are actually programmable buttons, so you can program this and this and this to do whatever you want. This is currently my eraser tool. I just press this and then the pen switches to an eraser tool. You can also do that with the pen. It also has its own buttons on it, but I did notice that the buttons on the pen were kind of in the wrong place. Like I usually push them by mistake when I'm drawing because my thumb usually rests on there, so it is not really in a good position. This is okay, you can use these. But the bad part of this design is that it looks really cheap and it's too plastic, and just by holding it you know this is a really cheap piece of tech, and dropping this will not end well. And even the pen, you can shake it and you might hear some rattling around inside of it. So yeah, it is not the best build quality out there. If you want something better than this, you're gonna have to spend a little bit more, but it's okay, it gets the job done, so I can't really complain. So let's talk about usability. How easy is this tablet to use? Well, it's pretty easy. So the Huion H420 is a pretty usable tablet. I did notice that after drawing for some time, you're gonna notice a lot of scratches on the pad. You can pretty much see it from there. Like, that was just the pen. I didn't use anything else on this pad, it was just a pen. And it really scratched up the surface pretty bad. So I'm not really confident using this for the long term, but I don't think it's gonna affect the way it works anyway, but it just looks really bad. And another thing, if you have never used a drawing tablet before, I'm gonna say this, it does take some getting used to. This took me quite some time because I wasn't used to drawing and looking elsewhere at the same time, which is how you use this. But you're gonna get used to it. Just keep practicing and it's gonna become second nature. So is the Huion H420 a good choice for a beginning animator or a beginning artist? In my opinion, yes. Mostly because it's like the cheapest, best tablet you can get for this price range. I got it for about 30 bucks on Amazon and it works pretty fine, it gets the job done. I've made pretty much all my animations on this, and yeah, it gets the job done. I'm gonna say that if you wanna get into animation or anything like that, you don't really wanna go spend like $1,000 on a drawing tablet because you don't really know how long you're gonna be doing that. So this is a pretty good product to start with. So thank you for watching this video, I hope it helped. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed this review of the Huion H420, H420. Come on. The Huion H420. Subscribe for more content, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.